What is good, guys? I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to take a little look at Terra Luna 2.0. Is it the end for Terra Luna? Well, we need to have a look at what's going on with the price at the moment. The price structure is extremely bearish. We've broken down below the $1 billion market capital. And, well, really, the trend is down. The macro trend is still down in the market, and the investor appetite is extremely low. We can just see all the comments here. Again, just negativity on top of negativity. So what is really going on? Well, I think there's a lot of selling pressure for this project. Remember, with the revival plan, the actual token distribution, of course, after 1 year, a lot of whales are going to get their tokens back, and I believe this is going to be so much selling pressure. So the reason this has been actually structured like this is to reduce the amount of selling pressure, but as people get their holdings back, it looks like more is just being sold off little by little. So here is the price action today for Luna 2.0. Of course, the trend is down. We did make an all-time high up here of around $12 on this particular exchange, right here on the Huobi exchange, and since then it's just been complete downtrend, and it looks pretty bad, to be fair, when we're actually looking at what's happening. Massive capitulation here from $6.42. We came all the way down to $5, and we're still seeing the continuous downside here with Terra Luna, and it even looks like we're actually putting through a bit of a bear flag at the moment on this particular pattern. As you see, we've got a bit of a broadening channel where we're putting through lower highs and also lower lows at the same time. So extreme volatility, confidence is low for this project right now, and many people just speculate that this project is almost pretty much dead. Now, personally, from what they've tried to do, this recovery plan, Do Kwon and the team, Terra Labs, etc., I think it's just not enough to actually kind of wash away everything that's happened. It's not going to build back trust. There's no integrity, there's no authenticity behind the team anymore, and just releasing a new chain and this hard fork and making the old Luna Classic and basically Luna 2.0 costing them nothing. It's like, well, really, they're not actually compensating the users that lost everything in the past. So I do still think we're going to see probably more continuation to the downside. The only argument you could say, which does look rather bullish, is that the price is coming down here. We'll draw a little white line. And on the RSI, on this particular hourly time frame, the price is coming up. So we do have a bullish divergence. Effectively, it could play out over time, meaning, if we do get a pump to the upside, we have to break through the resistance at around $4.35. But it is possible that we could come up to a previous swing high. Some investors like to be contrarians, really scooping up the fear. So yes, it's still possible that we can come up back to $4.94, but do also know that we can fall back down to these lower support levels and even down to the lower area of this support trend line on our broadening channel. So yes, things do look volatile, things do look bad. We're below the 20-day moving average. So effectively, if you're a risk trader, if you like high risk, high reward, now could be a good time to actually grab some Terra Luna. You can do that as well using my link down in the description below. So here we're sitting on the 4-hour time frame. It does look like we're just continuously putting through those lower highs. If we join up this swing high to this swing low, you could also argue that we're in a bit of a huge falling wedge right here. So maybe we break out the falling wedge. Maybe we don't. I think it's too difficult to say right now. On the 4-hour time frame, we're not seeing that bullish divergence at all. And on the daily time frame, well, we're not really seeing anything on the RSI. Not enough data, but we have got at least 5 solid days of bloodbath candles over here for Luna 2.0. So hopefully we can see a bit of a reversal. The price targets for me, the first price target is going to be at least $4.93 on the bullish side. And if we lose this particular area that we're trading at, we could come back down to about $3.98 at $4, which could effectively be another buy zone. So even the news at the moment, just looking around, Terra Luna records a notable decline below $6. So that's where we saw lots of volatility. The price structure really was quite harsh. It was just a huge sell-off wick. Luna falls below $6. The long-term success of Luna ecosystem is still in limbo mode, as the project was built on top of the $40 billion ruins of the old Terra blockchain, and now we're just folded below that $1 billion price level for the market cap. Luna is currently 72.8% below its all-time high of $18. The token is still up on major exchanges, and there is no positive outlook. That's the problem. People are just not happy. If people are not believing in the project, usually you're going to see the stagnancy and lack of faith, lack of belief means no support, no network, no community, and as you see, little investor confidence in the project. So that also matters very, very much. People have got to believe in the system, and I think lots of people just have absolutely no trust in the project anymore. So of course the trend is down. For me right now, it looks like Bitcoin is getting a really nice consolidation. This measures all of the Bitcoin market cycles. You can see that on the weekly time frame here, we actually came down to about 47 on the RSI, so we're not actually oversold, not like we were back in 2019, but it does suggest that perhaps we're seeing a bit of a market cycle bottom at the moment for cryptocurrencies. I do speculate soon we might get a little bounce as we're putting through our second green weekly candle, starting the week off nice and strong for Bitcoin. I think big things are going to happen. Guys, just want to say thanks so much. We've hit 3,000 subscribers. If you're new here, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be part of the notification nation, and get yourself down into the description. If you want to also join the telegrams, learn to trade, and also the cryptocurrency news and insights, follow the best trends in the market today. So come join telegrams, hop in the discords, and shall see you there, guys. Take care. Bye for now.